Hello, it's Bekah, and welcome to the Carriage House, a place where you can find comfort and cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. Today I'm doing some light spring cleaning in our farmhouse kitchen, and I just made my own natural all-purpose cleaning spray using 3 parts water, 1 part distilled vinegar, and the juice of 2 fresh lemons. And I really enjoy making my own cleaning products most of the time, especially this time of year when new life is born, blooms are fresh, the sky is blue, and when the wind is warm. And most homemade cleaners are really simple to make. They're healthier and affordable, and the juice from lemons are not only wonderful for degreasing your kitchen, but the simple aroma of citrus is incredibly refreshing and invigorating. The one thing I'm looking forward to after I get done cleaning the kitchen is going out into the garden. So far, sweet yellow daffodils are blooming, the slender green chives are growing, and the crimson tart rhubarb has made their way back out of the earth. Gardening is no easy task by any means, but it's definitely a labor of love here at home. Another thing I'm looking forward to after cleaning is checking on those little baby white cottontail bunnies I hope you saw in the beginning of the video. We found them inside our garden in a little nest made of small brush pile and grass. And the kids and I check on them daily, careful not to touch them or disturb their nest, but peeking just to make sure they're thriving and praying their little mama hasn't gotten harmed. We added a crosshatch of sticks on top of their nest to let us know if the mom has been back to feed them. And that little mama bunny is doing an amazing job with them. They're so plump and healthy looking, not to mention adorable. And I'll miss the day when they leave their nest, but I'm gonna have to look after those little bunnies because their nest was right next to the bed where we planted our lettuce. So far I've shared things that I'm looking forward to this afternoon, but one thing I'm not looking forward to is working out. Even though gardening, housework, and things like that is a wonderful way to stay fit and active, it still doesn't bring my heart rate up like it needs to. High blood sugar decided to befriend me for good after having our 4th son. So 3 times a week I usually get on the treadmill on incline for about 30 minutes, or I do cardio and weights with Fitness Blender, which is a great free online workout program. It's hard though, because ever since I turned 40, it's a little more difficult to lose those few extra pounds, unless I starve myself, of course, but life's too short for that. I remind myself I'll feel better both mentally and physically after I do this intentional workout, as long as I'm not feeling overexerted. And besides, it's only for 30 minutes. I find that I actually feel more alert and energized afterwards, which is quite strange, but I remind myself again to just do what I can, and as long as my heart is healthy and my physical and mental well-being is good, then I think everything's good. There's so more important things in life to observe and focus on, such as the sweet yellow daffodil blooming, the slender green chives growing, that crimson tart rhubarb sprouting, and of course the wonders and amazement of wildlife being created every moment on this earth.